If people keep telling you that you sound nasal when you sing, it's not your voice, my darling. It's not your voice. It is where your sound is escaping from. Okay, let me explain. In the next few minutes, I'm going to explain what nasal singing is and how that happens so that next time when you see someone who sings nasal, you can correct the person. And if you have that challenge at too, you would stop singing nasal after this video. My name is Grace Ofoka, and I am the lead vocal coach at Graciedion Music Institute. And so I will be teaching you on how to stop nasal singing. We're actually running a 30 days singing challenge that is going to help you to sing better in 30 days. So if you stay with me in this channel, or if you're just joining the channel for the first time after this video, make sure to watch all the other challenges in this video because you're going to thank me later with what we are releasing in these videos. Okay, let's get started. What exactly is nasal singing? Nasal singing looks like this. Wise men say only fools wretched. You see that when you want to go high, you can't. Sometimes it sounds so irritating, like it's coming from your nose. Wise man, oh yeah, mama, oh. You see this thing about nasal singing, you need to check yourself to know if you're singing nasal because some people sing nasal but they don't know that they are nasal. So let's check. There's what we call the pinch test. In the pinch test, you're going to pinch here to be sure if your sound changes. One, if it sounds like that, know that you're nasal, you're singing nasally. But if we pinch it and doesn't change, wise man say, you see, that means I'm not nasal. So what actually happens here? When you do not lift your soft palate, you will sound nasal. So where is the soft palate? The soft palate is actually inside the roof of your mouth. Use your tongue to touch the roof of your mouth. You will notice that one side is hard, the other side, if you go deep inside, you see the soft side. Now lift that soft side. Lift it, then sing. Wise man say. But if you don't lift it, wise man say. Did you see? Just by lifting your soft palate, you have fixed your voice. So now let's go use an exercise to guide it through. Lift it and do. Lift it. Let's use Good. Now let's check ourselves how we were sounding before. Lift it now the correct way. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love knowing you. See it? You sing beautifully. Wow. So in your next time, the next time you'll be singing, I want you to keep practicing it. Be conscious of it. Conscious of it. Conscious of lifting your soft palate. Because one of my students told me that immediately I explained this thing about lifting his soft palate, he tried it and immediately he took his singing from point zero to point 80. He started singing so well, and it even helped him to be able to pull from the gray zone and the breathing zone, the right breathing place. Okay, I have a lot of videos on breathing. You can watch that to get to understand more about breathing. So try it and comment on how this helped you, took your singing to the next level. And so, if you want to learn how to be better with your voice, you need to watch this next video.